Are you looking for a way to unleash your creativity and express yourself through digital art? Do you want to find the best drawing tablet for your budget and needs? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will review some of the best drawing tablets that you can buy online. We will compare their features, pros and cons, and give you our opinion on each one. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, you will find a drawing tablet that suits you in this video. So stay tuned and let's get started. After testing and evaluating more than 15 models, we have selected 5 best options for all types of buyers, taking into account all the features that can help you make the right choice. For more detailed information, discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future videos. So let's start with the first item on our list, which is GoOmen PD1161. If you're looking for a budget-friendly drawing tablet with a screen, you might want to consider the GoOmen. This tablet offers a large 11.6-inch IPS display with full HD resolution and 72% NTSC color gamut, which can deliver vivid and accurate colors for your artwork. The screen also has an anti-glare film that reduces reflections and protects your eyes from fatigue. The PD1161 comes with a battery-free pen that supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60 degrees tilt recognition, allowing you to create natural and smooth strokes with different widths and shades. The pen also has 2 customizable buttons that can be used as eraser, right-click, or other functions. The pen holder has 8 replacement nibs and a nib remover inside, so you don't have to worry about running out of nibs. The tablet has 8 programmable express keys on the side, which can help you access your favorite shortcuts and commands quickly and easily. You can also adjust the brightness, contrast, and color settings of the screen using the 5 menu buttons on the left. The tablet is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux systems, and supports various drawing software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Clip Studio Paint, Krita, and more. The tablet is easy to set up and use. It comes with a 3-in-1 cable that connects to your computer via USB and HDMI ports. You can also use an adapter to connect it to your phone or tablet via USB-C or micro USB ports. The tablet has a sleek and portable design that weighs only 866 grams and measures only 11 mm in thickness. You can also buy an adjustable stand to find the best angle for your drawing. The GoOmen is a great choice for beginners and hobbyists who want to enjoy drawing on a screen without breaking the bank. It has a large and clear display, a responsive and comfortable pen, and customizable buttons that can enhance your workflow. It also has a wide compatibility and a simple installation process that make it easy to use. For its price range, it is definitely worth checking out. For discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. The next one on our list is Wacom Syntic 22, a great choice for artists and designers who want to work on a large screen with a high-quality pen. The pen display features Wacom Pro Pen 2 technology, which has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, low activation force, and natural tilt recognition. This means that the pen responds to your slightest touch and movement, allowing you to create precise and expressive strokes. The pen also does not need any batteries or recharging, as it draws power from the display itself. The display has a 21.5-inch screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, which provides you with clarity and detail for your work. The screen also has an anti-glare film that prevents distracting reflections and reduces parallax, which is the difference between where the pen tip appears and where the cursor is on the screen. The display has an ergonomic design that lets you adjust the stand to your preferred angle, from 16 to 82 degrees. You can also use the display in portrait or landscape mode, depending on your preference. The Wacom Syntic 22 comes with useful software and accessories to enhance your creative workflow. You can get free access to Clip Studio Paint X, a powerful software for drawing and painting, as well as other software offers from Wacom partners. You can also customize the 2 buttons on the pen to access your favorite shortcuts and modifiers. Additionally, you can purchase different types of nibs and grips for your pen to suit your style. Overall, Wacom Syntic 22 is an excellent pen display that offers a natural and comfortable drawing experience on a large and clear screen. It is ideal for creative starters who want to take their ideas and illustrations to the next level. It is also compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems, and works with most popular creative applications. If you're looking for a pen display that combines quality, performance, and affordability, you should definitely consider Wacom Syntic 22. To check availability and current pricing, see the link in the description below. Our next pick is Apple iPad Air 5th Gen, a great tablet for artists and creators who want a powerful and portable device that can handle various tasks. The iPad Air 5th Gen has many features that make it ideal for drawing. It has the Apple M1 chip, which delivers impressive performance and graphics. The M1 chip has an 8-core CPU, an 8-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine that can handle complex apps and workflows. The M1 chip also has 8GB of RAM, which allows you to work with multiple layers and high-resolution files without lag or slowdowns. It has the 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display, which offers a stunning and immersive viewing experience. The display has a resolution of 2360 by 1640 pixels, a wide color gamut, True Tone technology, and an anti-reflective coating. The display also supports second-generation Apple Pencil, which is a must-have accessory for drawing on the iPad Air. Its operating system, iPadOS 15, has many features that are useful for drawing, such as Quick Note, which lets you create notes from any app using the Apple Pencil, Focus Mode, which lets you customize your home screen and notifications based on your activity, Universal Control, which lets you use a single mouse and keyboard to control multiple devices, and App Library, which lets you organize your apps in categories. The iPad Air 5th Gen is not only a great tablet for drawing, but also for other creative tasks, such as photo editing, video editing, music production, and more. The iPad Air 5th Gen has a 12-megapixel wide rear camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera with center stage feature, stereo speakers, dual microphones, USB-C port, Wi-Fi 6, and optional 5G connectivity. The iPad Air 5th Gen is a versatile and powerful tablet that can handle any creative challenge. It has a sleek design, a stunning display, a fast processor, and a great stylus. If you're looking for a tablet that can do it all, the iPad Air 5th Gen is the one for you. Number 4 on our list is XP Pen Artist 24 Pro, a pen display that offers a large and immersive drawing experience for digital artists. It has a 23.8-inch IPS screen with a QHD resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels, which delivers sharp and detailed images. The screen also covers 90% of the Adobe RGB color gamut, which ensures accurate and vibrant colors for your artwork. The screen is not fully laminated, but it has a matte anti-glare coating that reduces reflections and protects your eyes. The XP Pen display comes with a battery-free stylus that supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60 degrees of tilt recognition. The stylus has a comfortable grip and a smooth tip that glides effortlessly on the screen. The stylus does not have a dedicated eraser button, but you can switch between pen and eraser modes by pressing one of the shortcut keys on the display. The pen display also comes with a pen holder that has 8 spare nibs and a nib remover inside. One of the most distinctive features of the XP Pen Artist 24 Pro is the 2 red dial wheels on the sides of the screen. These dial wheels can be customized to perform different functions, such as zooming, rotating, changing brush size, and more. You can also press the dial wheels to access additional functions. The pen display also has 20 shortcut keys that can be programmed to your preferred commands or shortcuts. The XP Pen Artist 24 Pro is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, and Linux operating systems, and it works well with various drawing software, such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Krita, GIMP, Inkscape, and more. It also comes with one free creative software of your choice, such as Clip Studio Paint or Corel Painter. The XP Pen Artist 24 Pro is an affordable and professional pen display that can easily compete with more expensive models in the market. It offers a large and high-quality screen, a responsive and accurate stylus, 2 innovative dial wheels, 20 customizable shortcut keys, USB-C to USB-C connectivity, and more. For updated prices, click the link in the description below. And the last one on our list is H610 Pro, a graphics tablet that allows you to draw, sketch, paint, and edit images on your computer. It has a large drawing area of 10 by 6.25 inches, which gives you enough space to create without feeling cramped. The tablet has a smooth and paper-like surface that provides a natural and comfortable drawing experience. The tablet also has 8 customizable express keys and 16 soft function keys that you can use to access your favorite shortcuts and commands. The H610 Pro comes with a rechargeable pen that has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, which means you can control the thickness and opacity of your strokes with ease. The pen also has 2 buttons that you can customize to perform different functions, such as erasing, zooming, or switching tools. The pen has a long battery life and can be recharged with a USB cable. The pen also comes with a pen holder that has 4 spare nibs inside. The H610 Pro is a great choice for beginners and hobbyists who want to get into digital art without breaking the bank. It has all the essential features and functions that you need to create amazing artworks. It is easy to set up and use, and it performs well with no lag or glitches. It is also durable and reliable, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. The H610 Pro is one of the best low-price drawing tablets on the market. It offers a lot of value for its price, and it can rival some of the more expensive models from other brands. If you're looking for a quality drawing tablet that won't cost you a fortune, you should definitely check out the GoOmen H610 Pro. That's all for now. Please leave a comment and let us know which product category would you like to see the next video about. See you in the next one.